I will explain about how we can able to create the plumbing fixtures. Say, for example, I have to create with vanity with mirror. Okay. So previous video I created one washroom. So now I have to create this one and I have to upload this one to that project. Okay. Right. So first of all, I am in plumbing fixtures. Okay. Now you can create the reference plan. Okay. So after that, you can go to choose the annotate. So you can create the measurement first. Okay. So I created and I can go for the measurements. Right. So here I can go to choose the label. So width and I can create this one is the depth. Okay. This is a depth I created here. Okay. Say for example, width I can make it. So first of all, I can create the name here. Okay. So vanity mirror. So I can make it the depth around 400 and width around 600. Okay. Like that. So I created these two like a parametric family. So I can go back to my front. So this is a floor level, my zero. So I can create the floor to the sink. So I can make it the height around 900. Okay. So I can create the floor height. So floor height, I can make it around 900. Okay. Mm, yes. Floor height around 900. Okay. So here I can put it one name 01. Okay. And here I can create another the height of the sink. So I can make it around 250. Okay. I can make it around this one. It's locked. And here I can make it the height of sink. We can go for 250. You can mention the name as well as you wish. Okay. So 250 height. Okay. And another, I can create another line here. Here too. Here I can make it another reference line here. So this 900. So I think total I will take it. So I need only 2200 like it. So I can make it here. So I can make it around 1800. Okay. So 1800. Mm, okay. So I'll just remove this one. So total height is 1000. So here I can choose this the mirror height. Okay. So I can choose the mirror height here. Okay. I can make this one like the mirror height. Yeah. So I can this one I can create the total height. Okay. Right. So I create the total height. So I remove this one. So okay. So this is one. This is I can put it two, and this is one I can mention three. Okay. Right now I can go back to uh, my better. I can go to choose this height around 800. Like okay. So now it's okay. Now I can go back to my reference plan. Okay. I can choose blend, go to set. I can choose it number one reference plan. So here I can make it one rectangular. So I can make it the lock. Okay. So it should be lock, otherwise you cannot change the parameters here. Okay. So top, I can go to choose like ellipse. Otherwise, I will take again one more rectangular. So I can go for around mm, 20 mm offset. Okay, 20 mm offset. So okay, and the same thing I can go to choose some feed it here. So it's feed it is around 10. If you want, you can create parameter also. So I can just go for that. So here I can select this one. So 100. So I can make it 100 this one. Okay. This one also 100. This one also 100. Okay, done. I can go back to my here. I can go to choose this one like locked. Now you can go to choose 3D. So you can find out this is my model I created. Okay. Okay. Now again you can just select, go for the reference. You can first of all select, go to, now we have to create the opening here. Okay. So select and go to 3D. I can go to choose again. I can go to choose my void execution. So I can create this one. So void execution, I can create that. And edit up also I can create the same one. Okay. I did that one. I can choose it this one. Okay. Can apply it. Okay. So I cut this one. So otherwise I can go to edit edit base. I can go back to here. So I can go to here. I can choose it offset 20. Okay, so I need to keep some uh, space. So I remove this one. Okay, and I can go to choose here. So it's done. See, it's okay now. Okay, so I created like this style. Okay, now I can go back to my reference. So here I can go to choose my execution. So execution plan, I can able to get this boundary and put it 20, and I can go back to here. So now it's almost close it. Okay. Again, I can go back to here, choose, edit. So I have to create the opening, right? Here it's done. So this is, you can go to choose around 200 height. So I created this. Okay, now here I can go for the any additional fittings. Here I can make it. Okay, right. So I can go back to here. So execution. So I can go create this one tool. Okay, here I can create. Uh, I just create it like this. Okay, right. So create it like this. So here I can create some additional things here. Okay. So again, I can apply here. So I can just, oh, it can apply here. So now it's okay now. Right. So I created like this. So here also, I can make it mm, any additional fittings. Okay. Right. So I can go back to my front. So 1 and 2 is done. Now I can go back to again uh, here. Okay. So here I can create one more reference plan here. So I can make it mm, so I can make it inside. Okay. So here I can put it the thickness around 20. Okay. So I can just select. I can go to choose mirror thickness. Okay. I can go for mirror thickness. Okay. In the mirror thickness, I can go to choose 20. Okay. All right. Now I can go to choose my execution. So create set. I can create the second one. Okay. So I can create it here. So I can go for TR, sorry, AR alignment. Okay. Here also I can make it the alignment. Here I can make it the alignment. Okay. So here also you can make it the alignment. I can make it the alignment. Okay. Done. So again, I can go back to here. The mirror thickness, I can put it 10. Okay. So 20 is a little bit bigger. So I can apply it. So before that, you can go to choose the material like a glass. Okay. Don't forget that one. So I can back to here. So I can go for my front. I can lock this one up to be yes. Okay. So when I choose this one, so you can fix it to element. Okay. So after that, don't forget. So we have to keep that frame here. So you can go to select the sweep, pick a path. Okay. So here you can go to choose the edit profile. The edit profile, you can make it like any profile, you can make it. So I created like this profile. And if you want, I can go to choose like this. Okay. Right. So this is a profile I created, but here I can go for the metal. uh, Okay, so I just keep it the default. Okay, finally I can change this one, no problem. So here you can find out I created even frame also. If you want, you can create the frame here also. So I can just edit this with pick a path. So I can go to choose here. Um, Here we need to create one more. Oh, okay. So better I just I can go to close this one. Swift. I can just select. I can remove the sweep again because here we need to create that one. So I can go back the sweep again, pick a path. One, two, three, four, and I can go to select here, go to create. Okay, applied path. I can just create for one profile, like small profile I'll create it. Okay. Mm, like any type profile. So I can go to choose the how to close this profile. Okay, should be closed. So now I apply it. Okay, right. Now it's almost done. See, the profile we created. So when I create this one, okay, when I create this one, so I can just upload this one to my projects. Okay, now you can fix it somewhere here. Now I can apply here. I can just drag it. I can go for align with this. Okay, now you can apply the 3D. Okay, so now you can find out we created like one profile here. So the profile, why this is a glass, so it's reflect the background of uh, the wall. Okay, so what we can able to do is, so again I can go back to here in my family. Okay, so I can go to choose one more execution. Okay, I can go to set right the picture part. I can create some small additional support somewhere here. Okay, okay, I can go to AL. I can just lock this one somewhere here because we need the background support. So otherwise, when we apply the material, it's become reflected to glass. So I just move this applied. So I can go back to my front. So I can go to move this one up to here. Okay, again I can upload it version. It's already. So here you can find out. mm, that should be when we create that one. That should be change the material. Okay, that should be like a default, and again upload. So it's override definition. So now you can find out. Now it's done. Okay. So now you can find out how I created this a small plumbing fixtures here. Okay. So if you want, you can go back to here and go to edit. So if you want, for example, now you can go for 700 uh, floor to height. So it will be changing. Okay. So this is a way we can able to create the plumbing fixtures. Thank you so much.